In this video, we are going to learn how to configure an FTP server which will allow us to exchange files between Linux systems using the FTP protocol. So let's begin by first installing the FTP packages. Let's go to cd/media, R capital, press tab key, P capital, press tab key. Type in rpm-ivh ftp asterisk, then -vs ftpd asterisk. Next, let's go to /ftp/pub folder. Create a file here, file ftp. This is a FTP server file. Enter, Control D. Next, we will change the configuration file for FTP server. So vi/etc/vsftpd/vsftpd.conf. Let's number the lines with se space nu command. Come to line number 12, change the setting to yes in capital. Uncomment line number 15 and set it to yes. Uncomment line number 18, set it to yes. Then go to line number 109 and set also uncomment this and set the value to capital yes. Escape WQ. Now let's restart our VSFTPD service. Let's set some directives of FTPD. FTPD_anon. Allow FTPD_anon_write. Equal to 1. Next, change group FTP/var/tp/pub. Then change ownership. Do a service VSFTPD restart. Let's clear this thing, and now let's log in with the FTP protocol and our IP address 1.3. Okay. Type here FTP. Password. Okay. Do a ls-a and files which we have created in the pub directory are seen here. Do a buy to exit from FTP. Now we'll disable anonymous login. So let's again open the configuration file of VSFTPD. ENU. Okay, put line number 12, set this to no, so anonymous user cannot log in, and also set this to no, so anonymous cannot upload. Shift:\WQ to quit server service network vs FTPD restart, and then again try to log in using the FTP command anonymous. Login has failed because we have blocked the anonymous user. Now let's create a user who can access FTP service. So FTP user1, enter, let's provide a password to FTP user1. And next try to log in to this FTP using user1, FTP user1, prompt for password, let's provide a password. I'm logged in. Let's log out again, clear this thing. Now let's suppose we want to block this user1 from further accessing this particular service. To do that, we need to open this file vi/etc/vsftpd/user_list. This file contains a list of users who should be blocked from accessing the FTP service. So shift I and type here FTP user1 escape shift:/WQ. Again restart the service of FTP and now try to log in into FTP using FTP user1, enter and see permissions denied. Now let's create one more user. Let's say user I, FTP user2, provide a password, FTP user2, password, and let's go to FTP user2's home directory and let's create a file here. Cat my file. This is my file. User is FTP user2, Control D. Now go back to root. Here create a first go to the home directory and create a file cat root FTP file. This is the FTP file in the of root user, Control D. Let's clear this thing and now let's log in with the Shreyas user. password do ls-a. See, that's my file being created. Next, let's try this get command. My file received. Next, put root FTP file, and again the file has been sent. Do ls, you can see both the files present here, and this is your FTP practical.